everyone, welcome back to ASX Market Watch and trading signals, trend signals around the world. We look at all the indices. In fact, we're looking at Asia, America, down under Australia and Europe, of course, just to check out which way the world is heading from a chartist's point of view, just to get a chartist's take on where the world is heading. Basically, really great way to supplement your own method of trading. Let's just jump straight into it. There's actually a lot of exciting stuff on the All Ordinaries at the moment. This is an All Ordinaries chart. It's a daily bar chart, 2010, 2011. Coming into, so this is the downtrend, 2011. It hasn't been that great, unless you were trading on the short side. We called a down market around approximately there. We called another one here as well, and as you can see, the market did fall away from those points. And now basically what we're looking at, just to give you a really quick and good idea, is check this bad boy out right here. Actually, it's probably better. We've got this downtrend line, very simple. The market found resistance here, just like we said that it would. That's technically what trend lines will tend to do. They'll give you resistance and support. Apart from that, what have we got here? We've got this really long-term uptrend line starting from the bottom of 2009, the recent upward move or slight upward move, and that is going all the way till today. So this is forming a triangular pattern. Now what we tend to get with triangular patterns is a continuation move. So in other words, what we're looking at potentially is a continuation pattern unfolding, and it's a large one, guys. What that means is a larger pattern tends to mean a larger move when it does break out. So again, if we were to just give a projection based on this particular pattern, and you know what, it's just one of the ways that a market can unfold. Often, according to many different people, including Gann, I would say, he says if the market tends to move 50%, to retrace 50%, which it has done, as you can see. And if this is getting a bit complicated, just roll with me here, it'll make sense. As you can see, there's a 50% retracement here of the previous move. Not rocket science in any way, shape or form, but if he says that if that happens, then you could expect the market to go 100% of the previous move, which would bring us down to 3,200, or approximately the low after the bear market of 2008 and 2009. So yeah, that's just something that you know may be unfolding according to this continuation pattern, and according to Gann's finding as well, and his 100% rule. So really simple stuff there. And again, look, I'll leave it there for now. Really simply, we've got America as well, the S&P 500. Very similar thing unfolding here as well. We've got a downward trend line, an upward trend line as well. What we've just got on a shorter term basis, guys, is a little zigzag pattern here. Little zigzag. What that means is that's a short term down trend, and as you can see, we had another one approximately here. So again, what that means is a short-term downtrend. Just to back that up as well, guys, what we also had was resistance at this exact level. That's the level that we called that the market would find resistance at. Why did we call that? And that's just basically due to the downtrend line. So for instance, if you couldn't see what was coming, for example there, and you would expect the market to find resistance at that downtrend line as it unfolds. And that's exactly what has happened so far. Beautiful stuff, absolute poetry. That's why I love looking at the charts, and that's why it's a great way to supplement your own trading as well. Well, this is the FTSE in Europe. Really quickly, what have we got? Exactly the same, guys. This is a downtrend line, found resistance there, just like we said it would. Again, similar to the All Ordinaries, we've got this massive uptrend line, massive downtrend line, potentially quite a large continuation pattern unfolding. Again, if that was to unfold, looking at Gann's point of view, let's have a quick look. You may expect the market to hit 4,400, a nice round number as well. So that's according to that particular theory. That's what you may expect if the market breaks out to the downside. But just keep in mind that this uptrend line will provide a lot of support at around the 5,000 level. 5,000 being a very big psychological number as well, guys. So that's something that just keep in mind. That's going to be a very big support level for people. If it breaks, get ready to run for cover, in other words. Really quickly, the Nikkei, again, not rocket science. Last couple of weeks we called resistance at this level, again because of the trend line. That's exactly where we found it. We called a short-term downtrend right here, called another short-term downtrend right here, and the market has continued to fall away, called resistance right here as well. That's the Nikkei, the Japanese index. The Nikkei is definitely in a downtrend on a short-term and a medium-term basis. Here's your medium to long-term trend lines. Look at them. 1, 2, 3 different trend lines, all down basically, and this is happening over the course of a period of at least 2 years. So that's Japan. Really very simple. I wouldn't personally be trading on the long side in that particular market myself, but that's just the way that I do it. Apart from that, this is China. Really simply, and again, such simple stuff. Called a short-term downtrend there, called another one there, called a downtrend resistance there, and as you can see, the market has continued to fall away from that level. I'll give you one guess why we called that resistance at that level. Guys, you've got it. You know exactly what's going on. I love your work personally, and really, that's the world from a chartist point of view. Still in downtrends. Oh, just really quickly, the Santa Claus rally, really quickly, often starts between around 10 days either side of Christmas, so from the 15th to around, let's say, the 5th of January approximately. And it looks as though that has not happened this year. It definitely has not started. It would have happened a couple of days ago. Based on that, I would be looking that it's not likely that we're going to get a Santa Claus rally this year, even though it is an extremely high probability move. Just particularly, based on everything that's happened, I would say that it's not looking likely that we will get a Santa Claus rally this year. So, well, that's that. I guess it is what it is. Guys, happy trading until next week. Have a fantastic week and Christmas and New Year and life. What the heck? But whatever you do, follow the trend. And have a great one until next time. I cannot wait to see you then. Bye for now.